Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just got a huge box from Banana Republic Factory and I thought I would do a little workwear haul because I ordered a bunch of stuff and it just came and I'm excited to unbox it and show you guys what I got. So quick backstory before I jump into the haul. They were having a sale, entire site was 50% off. Then you could spin a little wheel and like get different percents off in addition to the 50% off site-wide. So I did that. The first time I got 10%. The second time I got 10%. The third time I got 40% off my order. So I went ham. I got a bunch of stuff, a lot of which I think I'm going to return, if only because I got like pants in multiple sizes and I'm sure some's going to fit better than others. So let's just dive right into the box. It's literally massive. And I was going through it and there's actually one thing in here that I didn't order. And I don't know how it ended up in here, and I didn't pay for it. So I don't really know what that's about, but I'll show you that at the end. So I did actually open this up, so it's not technically an unboxing, but I got excited. Okay, first thing. I feel like I should have consolidated into like all of the pants, but that's okay. We're just gonna take them as they come. This is a pair of their Salone pants. They're slim ankle fit mid-rise, and they're just navy blue. I don't have any navy blue pants. They have little pockets in the back and basic work pants, nice and thick. So one thing I've had with Banana Republic Factory in the past is that I've noticed that some things are really high quality and others aren't. So that's why I'll kind of comment on the quality of each piece, because some really do it for me and others don't. So yeah, I think that one seems like it's pretty high quality. But okay. Then I got a pair of their Devon Leggings, hoping that I can wear these as work pants, because right now the pants that I wear to work are kind of like leggings. Like, they look like leggings in that they don't have like the back pockets, which I wish they did, but they don't. This has a side zip, and these seem like thicker and a little bit nicer than what I currently have. And I just wear like longer shirts and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Just standard black. And these were both in 00 petite. So we'll see about that for sizing. I've never ordered pants from them before. The next thing is this dress, which I'm worried is going to be boxy on me, but we'll see. This is just this really pretty kind of shift dress, tweed material, short sleeves. I love the colors of this, but again, I have a feeling the fit is not going to be great, so we'll see. But love it in theory. Then I got another pair of the Devon Leggings. These are in a 0 petite. Then I got this jacket, which I'm really excited about because I have it in a different color. This is black, and it's just kind of a cropped jacket. And the one I currently have is a gray material that kind of looks like it has almost like a little bit of tweed or like a little pattern to it, and I love it a lot. I love the fit of it. I wear it a lot. And I thought that a black one would be nice just to switch it up, because I wear that jacket literally like at least once a week. I had one of the assistants at our office ask me, she was like, do multiple people have that jacket, or do I just see you wearing it a lot? Like, I really like it. I was like, it's me, I wear it once a week at least. Alright, next I got this top, which isn't really, I guess it could be a work top, but I thought it would be like more of just like a going out top. It's high neck, black. It has this pretty little kind of cutout eyelet, or not cutout, but like eyelet detail in the back. It looks like it's going to be a little see-through, but we'll see. Just kind of loose. Thought it looked pretty. And I realized I really don't have many like just plain, easy, basic going out stuff for evenings for like drinks or like dinner. Here's a Salone pant in black, 00 petite. And the Devon legging in a 0 in blue. As you can see, I was like really trying to narrow in on some pants, because the pants that I have now I don't really like, so I figured I would take this as the opportunity to see if I could find something else. And also, these pants were each like $20, so the savings were crazy. Banana Republic Factory already has crazy good deals. Then there's 50% off. Then there's my 40% off. So literally I got like $1,000 worth of clothes for like $350, and a bunch of it's going back probably. So overall, my order is not going to be probably more than like $150, $200 max. Okay, then I got this dress, which is just a fun pattern. It has long sleeves, and if you've watched my videos, you know my office is freezing. So I liked this because I could wear it with tights, and I think that like a long sleeve dress is just nice because then you don't have to worry about like what type of blazer you're gonna wear with it, or like a sweater. I don't know, I just don't like dresses and blazers or sweaters. They just never really work for my body type. So I thought that having long sleeves worked well. It pairs nicely. You could wear it with like booties and some tights or heels, and I don't know, I thought that would be cute. Then I got this one, and again, this one I feel like is going to be a bit boxy on me, but I love it in theory. It's blue and white striped. I thought this would be cute for summer. Again, it has like 3/4 length sleeves, if not full sleeves. We'll have to see when we try it on. But I think it's really cute. I, again, feel like it's not going to fit me, but we'll see. I think, I don't know, nice thick material on that one. I really like the quality of that one. I think it feels really nice. Sorry, I forgot to really comment about it. The dress before it, the patterned one, is like, not super high quality, but I think it'll still be nice. Then I got this gray top. This looks a little see-through, but we'll see. Thick strap tank top. And then it's got this kind of interesting cross detail in the back, which is what I liked about it. I think I could easily wear this with like a sweater or a blazer to work. Also could work for evenings or like, I don't know, daytime too. This is what came randomly, is this flannel. So I didn't get charged for this, and I don't know, it's actually kind of cute, so we'll see. But randomly showed up in my order, so thanks Banana Republic Factory for just sticking that into my order. Okay, then got another pair of pants. These are the Devon Leggings in 00 Petite. I feel like I went heavy on the Devon Leggings, and I wish I'd gotten more of the other pants, but I feel like I can always return, and hopefully I would still get the good deal. Then I picked up this necklace, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna have to try it on. I like it for like the basic like statement look, but my problem is the gold looks kind of like super fake, which I had a feeling it would. So I'll have to try it on and see how it looks with outfits and see how much you can tell from far away, but my initial reaction is that it's like too cheap looking. So we'll see about that one. But then I got this trench coat because, well, I had all this discount and I figured I've been wanting one, and it's been raining a lot, so why not? I don't think I'm gonna like it. It seems really big and boxy. I don't love the color on it. It's a little more green than I was hoping for, but we'll try it on, and I figure I was gonna be returning lots of stuff anyway. What's one more item? Okay, and the last thing is this kind of jacket blazer type top. It's really nice and warm. I didn't realize how warm it was, but this is awesome because, like I said, my office is freezing. I literally sit with a heating pad and a blanket, and then I go wash my hands every time I go to the bathroom, and I use like the hottest water possible just to like defrost my fingers. I've like seen girls wearing gloves in my office. It's that cold. And it's just an issue with like the central air system. It just doesn't heat properly. So anyway, this is like literally like has fleece on the inside, which is awesome. So hoping this fits well, because I think this probably isn't like a blazer I could necessarily wear, but it's better than literally wearing like my big jacket that I wear into the office. So that is everything in my haul. I'm really excited to go try this stuff on. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you're looking for great workwear, I think that this is a great place to start if you're not trying to spend a lot of money. Like I said, it's very hit or miss with the quality, but when you're getting such a good deal, it's like, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of expected, and when you find those really great pieces, I think that it's worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.